Instagram is changing fast, and if you're not adapting, you're falling behind. We've analyzed data from hundreds of thousands of accounts, and today I'm sharing the must-know insights that will take your Instagram strategy to the next level. We've got answers to exciting questions like, when is the best time to post? How often you should post for each account type? The must-have format for 2024? And the ideal format to reach new users. And of course, you can download the study for free and follow along in this video. You can find the link in the description, and now let's dive into the study. Hi Metricooler, I'm Alex, and each year we aim higher, and this year was no exception. For this Instagram study, we analyzed a massive amount of data over a period of 6 months. About 390,000 professional accounts, over 5.6 million posts, around 3.6 million reels, and roughly 23.6 million stories. That's more than enough information to take your Instagram game to the next level. Now, with that amount of data, we'd be here for days trying to break down all the information. But don't worry, I've picked out some of the most interesting highlights for you. Let's kick things off with stories. Did you know that this format is the most popular among brands? In fact, over 70% of the analyzed content consisted of stories. It really is surprising to see that they make up a large chunk of the sample. Now the question is, why are brands using this format so heavily? One answer is that they are playing with FOMO, or in other words, the fear of missing out. Let me explain. Stories are a great opportunity to create closeness and nurture your audience. They build that loyalty you need. Once that loyalty is created, your audience is intrigued and wants to keep up with what's happening with your brand. Since stories only last 24 hours, they are more likely to click and watch so they don't miss out on anything exciting or important. Not to mention that stories are a great opportunity for spontaneous content creation without much editing. If you can master the art of successful Instagram stories, they can even generate traffic. Well-made stories can direct users to your website, online shop, blog, or even your Instagram profile. The takeaway here, stories are not dead. They are the key to cultivating your audience in an organic, authentic way. If you aren't posting them already, maybe this is your sign to start. Here's another finding that you should most definitely note. When is the best time to post? This is a common question when it comes to social media, and it can be extremely difficult to pinpoint when you should get a post up. We analyzed the data and found some answers for you. The time with the highest average number of connected users is 8 p.m. And this is no matter where you are in the world. We consolidated time zones to extract global data. If you've been keeping up with our studies, you may remember that the best time to post was 8 p.m. in the previous study as well. The number hasn't changed. Second and third places go to 7 p.m. and 9 p.m., making it a good window to publish your content. If you think about it, this makes complete sense. Around this time, people are finishing up with school or work, winding down, scrolling for the evening. We covered time. Now, what are the best posting days? The best posting days are Wednesday and Friday. These differ from the previous study though, when they were Monday and Thursday. A quick little Metri-Tip for you, we always recommend starting with these suggested times and then analyzing your accounts to find the best time that works for your audience. If you have a metrical account, we do that analyzing for you. Find the best times to post feature in the planner and see when your audience is the most active. The best part is that it's free for Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok too. Okay, what is the most used format by account size? To determine which format was the most popular among different account sizes, we used the weekly posting frequency, as this represented an average value for all users. We found that stories were the main format for all account sizes. We also found that accounts with the most followers are the ones that rely the most heavily on posting stories. Posting over 30 per week for big accounts and posting over 45 per week for huge accounts. All in all, the must-have formats for 2024 are stories and reels. In our study, Reels had the highest reach at an average of about 38%. In the best practices section of our study, you'll find tips on how to improve your Reel strategy. So make sure that you download it. We also found that across all account sizes, reach improved from last year, except for the largest accounts, which saw a drop of about roughly 6.6%. Our findings with all of this: if you want to reach new accounts, you need to be posting Reels. Another standout finding: all account sizes increased their posting frequency by more than 40% compared to last year. The key here isn't just about how often you post, it's about what you post. Small accounts saw the biggest benefit, with a reach increase of over 32%. Larger accounts, however, may need to rethink their strategy, as they were the only ones with a slight decline of about 6.6%. Let me tell you, there is a lot more to discover in our study. I barely scratched the surface. Take some time, grab a coffee, and scroll through our study and pick out the data that is most valuable for you or your clients. The time to adjust your strategy is now. And before I go, I can't end this video without offering an extra resource for you. We launched a course that will help you succeed on Instagram. Join Insta School, where you'll receive valuable free templates and insights so that you can improve your Instagram game. Links to both will be in the description. We're excited to see how the rest of the year unfolds, but for now, enjoy the study and the course. Oh, and if you've made it this far, I'll let you in on a little secret. We have another big study coming very soon. What platform could it be? If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and like so you can stay up to date with what's going on in social media. Until next time, Metri-Cooler.